Let's create a wavy paper weave with a cutout pattern. The materials needed are 2 different colors of construction paper. I will be using 9 by 12 inches, a craft knife, a cutting mat, and a roll of duct tape. Step 1. Place 1 piece of construction paper in front of you vertically. Using your craft knife, cut wavy lines from each side of the paper. I cut 5 wavy lines, equaling 6 sections. If needed, use a pencil to draw your lines first before cutting. Place the other piece of construction paper in front of you horizontally. Again, using your craft knife, cut wavy lines from each side of the paper. For the horizontal paper, I cut 4 wavy lines, equaling 5 sections. Keep your paper strips organized in the exact order you cut them. This will make the weaving process smoother. Step 2. Lay out your horizontally cut paper strips on your cutting mat. Tape down one side of all the horizontal strips using duct tape. Ensure there are no gaps between the strips. Step 3. Take your vertically cut paper strips. These will be woven through the secured horizontal strips. Start weaving by following the classic over, then under, then over, then under pattern. Push each vertical strip firmly against the previous one to create a tight weave. Step 4. Once all your vertical strips have been woven, do not flip the project over yet. Carefully cover the entire woven surface with duct tape. This will secure all the strips perfectly in place. After the entire weave is taped, you can carefully lift your project from the cutting mat. Trim off any excess tape around the edges to create a clean finish. Step 5. Using your craft knife, carefully cut a frame inside each woven section. Aim for a frame thickness of approximately 1/4 inch. Be careful to cut only through the top layer paper, not through the duct tape backing. Continue this process for every woven section. Once all the cuts are made, gently remove the extra paper from the inside of each frame to reveal your design. For more written instructions and photograph references, check out the tutorial on the Create Within Reach blog. Happy crafting!